No, you're right, Hanson.
What did you do?
Yeah.
You know it's full of salt, Matthew, and horrible stuff.
You're right, that makes you have a drink.
No, it won't.
So it's alright for us to eat it?
No, it isn't.
Well, what's the difference between him having it?
He's dying.
Because we're huge compared to
Yeah, and I've given him like probably about the equivalent amount. It's like sort of really thin slices.
Did you video him?
Yeah, I just can't get over how small he is though. I mean, he probably could sit in that bowl.
Did you... Have you still got the video that you took us past it? It's quite a long time ago now. 2 years ago.
Don't know. Maybe. Yeah, probably do.
No, we'll study there.
What is he? A Bengal?
Bengal, yeah. Rosetted Bengal.
What does that mean?
It's the original, then. That's what they're like in the world.
That's the stripes.
I mean, that's why the camouflage is so well.
That picture that you sent me
Some of it is.
with Harley and Mitzi, he's much more than that.
Yeah, he is, isn't he? Isn't it lovely one of Harley?
He's fucking starving, look at him. Can't get enough of this.
He was eating at 2 o'clock. We fed him at 2.
Well, that's 2.5 hours ago, madam.
Oh, right.
I ate at almost 3 o'clock.
Yes, but he's eating,
And I'm starving.
he's eating all that tuppence meat now, which is going to make him ill.
I ate that.
He's got it on his
I ain't
nose.
eating that now, I'm starving, okay?